Andy Norris here with Keller Williams Greater Columbus, and I am here today in beautiful Veterans Park in Delaware, Ohio, and we're just minutes away from my newest listing at 115 Miners Court. And this park and the YMCA nearby are just a few things I love about this area. There's tons of walking trails, ponds, beautiful outdoor spaces, and you're just minutes from downtown Delaware. This 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home with finished basement and large deck has been meticulously maintained and is move-in ready just for you. Thanks for checking out my newest listing here at 115 Miners Court in Delaware, Ohio. If you have questions or would like to book a private showing, please don't hesitate to reach out.